Hello friends, I am Urdhanda Praveen who introduced the concept of a news foundation for UPSC preparation. In this video you will understand how important it is news foundation for your preparation, how it can solve your problem of prelims and mains, and with examples. Here you can see cassava is a woody shrub. It is native to South America and it is extensively cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions as annual crop for its edible starchy root tuber. This is what given in Bygrave's News Foundation regarding the topic cassava. Now in exam it is asked cassava, description, woody shrub. So those students have news foundation of this topic cassava will able to solve this problem. So instead of guessing and getting time wasted, those who have news foundation can solve the problem quickly. Students fail because of not having news foundational topics with them. I will show you another example. Monoclonal antibodies are laboratory produced molecules, right, which mimics the immune system, and monoclonal antibodies are administered through vein intravenously. So regarding monoclonal antibody, Bygrave's document given these foundational terms, and with these foundational terms can solve this problem with reference to monoclonal antibodies often mentioned in news. Consider the following statements. They are man-made proteins, but those who have news foundation of monoclonal antibody, you can see that monoclonal antibodies are laboratory produced. So this is the right statement where you can solve this problem based on news foundation in a less time. In this way, you can solve the problems of economy, biotechnology, environment and ecology, species or animal science, geography, polity, biology, microbiology, chemical science, medicine, agriculture, forest management, horticulture, regulations, reports, defense, schemes, international organization, technology, acts and regulations. For mains, General Studies paper 1, General Studies paper 2, General Studies paper 3, General Studies paper 4. So students, aspirants will get monthly news foundation books for prelims and mains separately, where you can prepare easily in a distinct manner. You can go into the website and download the module which is given for demo, see the concept, see the way it is given, see how smooth your preparation will be, and efficiency and accuracy. And get your preparation in right track in right time. What you are watching in this video is the most refined version of UPSC preparation model. Thank you.